Welcome back to Nielsen Guitars. So in the first episode I unboxed 3 DIY electric guitar kits from Gear for Music. Today I thought I'd go slightly more in depth on the SG, the Brooklyn model, which is going to be the first one I'm going to try and build, and that's what I'm thinking at the moment. So yeah, I'm joined by my special guest, Big Bag of Bits. So yeah, I'm going to just open them up, or I'll bring the camera in close to the table so you can have a look at them and I can show you what I find as I go through the box, go through the bag of stuff that came with it. So stay tuned. I'm just going to pull out things as I find them. So we'll start off with this bag, which appears to be tuners. So when the Les Paul kit that I had before, if you compared the tuners to my, I've got a Fender guitar and an Epiphone guitar, the tuners were quite wibbly, feel a bit loose, they feel light. These, I don't know whether these feel heavier. They're not that wibbly. There's a little bit of play there, if you can see it in the bit that sticks up, whatever that has a name. Yeah, so they don't feel too bad. I guess we'll see when we try and string something up with them, just temporarily popping them in. Yeah, 6 of them, that's a good start. Let's move them out of the way. We've got a neck plate, silver neck plate, 4 screws, attach the neck with it, splendid. A little bag with strap buttons, strap button, little paddy bits to go behind it, I don't know, plastic maybe rubber, and some screws, presumably for the various, tuners and for the strap buttons to attach by. We've got a truss rod cover there, black plastic, 6 ferrules, presumably for going through the attaching the tuners from the top, and some screws. Oh, they must be the screws for the tuners, so those other screws are for something else. Pickups, 2 humbuckers, black plastic surround, reasonably shiny, covered in plastic, but yeah, not despicable. Look pretty nice. One labelled B, one labelled N. So I'll put the, I haven't done it yet. I'll put the resistances up on the screen when I edit this together, so you can see what sort of resistance they've got. What's next? That must be bad. We've got some. Gone out of focus. We've got some volume and tone knobs, black with a silvery middle. They're quite nice. Again, like the ones on the Les Paul kit, and all kits, I think, this is where you scrimp. This is the bit that's going to feel flimsy. They're quite pleasant, but there's supposed to be a tone selector, the switch, the rhythm treble switch. There's supposed to be a bit of plastic for that, which I haven't seen. Maybe it's coming up later. What do we got here? We have, actually, if it was going to be anywhere, it'd probably be in this bag if it wasn't in the other bag. But we've got the switch, 3-way switch. Feels like a switch. I never pay that much attention to switches, but there we go, a switch. We've got the pre-wired tone pots and volume pots, and the jack, the output jack, which is yeah, probably not that cheap. And actually, oh, okay, if I zoom in there, can you see that? Can you see the corrosion? Look at the corrosion around the outside. So that's corroded already, which is not really very good. That's supposed to be silver. That bit there that's kind of brown, that's supposed to be silver. And then it's corroded on the inside as well. Can you see that? Can I show you? Is that going to work? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, corroded on the inside as well, so that's not good. It's strange that the other parts haven't also corroded. Yeah, the solder looks nice and shiny. I don't know, that's strange, but I guess the output jacks are something that are normally quite cheap, so shouldn't be too much to replace that. I hear people talk about Switchcraft ones as being good ones. What else have we got here? There's a little bit of blue wire in that top of that one, with bridge posts and stop bar posts, and the bridge and the stop bar. They feel a decent weight. This is, yeah, let's see what happens there. What else do we have? We have a assortment of, well, there's some solder in there, an assortment of nuts and washers, presumably for the pots, the output jack. Again, the instructions will make that clear. Still haven't seen that rhythm treble thing. GP strings, good for getting it going, but probably nothing to write home about, given that they've been loose in the bag. We have the back plate, which is kind of shiny on one side. I think it's covered with plastic. Kind of shiny on that side, and then matte on that side. So I would assume the shiny side goes out. And yeah, okay, finally we have the green cable that comes with it and the truss rod hex keys in there as well. There we go. So, am I imagining it? I have the instructions. Let me go and grab the instructions. Because I think there's supposed to be... Here we are, look. I printed out the instructions because I'm a good boy. Or I could waste paper. There you are, let you see. Look at that. Number 7. Number 7. A tone selector plate. It's totally there. It's totally there, but it's not in my bag of bits. So, well, I guess it's not the hardest thing to find on eBay. Look, there. Look at it. Laughing at me. So that's missing. That's a shame, but yeah, that is a shame. Never mind. Easy enough to find on eBay. Or I just have to hunt one down. Yeah, so there we go. So that's the bag of bits. Yeah. One thing I did notice, I will show you this. Ooh, quickly. I noticed with the body when I was looking a bit more thoroughly after doing the first unboxing. In the body, we have the long screw hole, or the hole that's been drilled through from the neck, through the pickup cavity, the neck pickup cavity down to the bridge pickup cavity. It goes all the way through. You can see it from, if I get it on screen, you can see it from that side there. However, there is a little, I'll get this into the shot, ooh, spin it around. There is a small, now I've gone the wrong way, there is a small hole here which runs through to the tailpiece, or stop bar. Stop bar here, there's a hole that runs through there for the grounding wire. However, there is absolutely nothing in that, let me bring that forward, working backwards here, there's nothing that runs through to the pickup cavity for me to wire the pickup. So I am going to have to drill the hole myself. The instructions say about, oh, just poke the wires through and it'll be fine. But that doesn't exist here. So yeah, there's a job to do, and one that could probably go horrifically wrong. Come through the top of the guitar too early, maybe you end up under the pick guard and you might get away with it, but or you come through from the top to the bottom and you end up splitting through here or something. So yeah, that's going to be fun. I'm sure that'll be a job that will be terrifying when it comes to it. So that's all the bits. I'll switch back to me now. Well, there we go. That is the parts of this guitar. So I think the first step after this will be to attach the neck, attach a couple of tuners, and try and figure out whether the center line is good, and whether the neck is all on straight and that kind of thing. So yeah, that'll be coming up in the next episode. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.